Banner company Monday. What a mess. Look at it. So many trucks. Completely disorganized. So this is our team this week, 3 of us. Da, 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 da. What's up, Doc? So this company doesn't have appointment time. It's like first come first serve. We were told to come at 8 a.m. and this company said that we should wait until 10:20. Nice. I guess we will stay in this chaos for a while. Right, guys, so finally got the doors at 11 a.m. and they should start unload me. And then it's pretty nearby, 20 miles from here to pick up, and then off to South Carolina. I saw the weather forecast. It should be pretty warm there, so see you on the road and to South Carolina. Okay. And imagine this. One Mexican guy came and asked money for unloading, or he will go for the break lunch. So we didn't have any cash, so we just went, and that's it. We're stuck for maybe 1 more or 2 hours. It's absolutely one of the worst companies I've ever been. See you later. So now waited for 4.5 hours in this company. It's not fair. That just took us too long. Now it's a change of plans. We won't change the trailer. We will go instantly to pick up and then off to South Carolina. So after almost 5 hours of trouble in the previous company, I'm here at this company. I will show you the name if I'll find. Now pick up the load and then off to South Carolina over the night with Dad. So it would be a tough night, but look at how much space this company has. So I don't see the name of the company, but I'll update it. And here's my companion. Yeah, but this company looks amazing, so I'll definitely put the name of this company. So see you in a bit. Today I'm done, and now Dad will drive, and now we arrived at gas station. So let's see what's good around.
half a mile, sharp right onto South Carolina 81 North.
Tuesday morning in South Carolina. It's 9 a.m. by the way. Today's great day started in South Carolina, and now I'm at pickup. Guess where? I'll show you around. So look at this. It's March in Georgia. You can see the tree blooming, and it's pretty warm today. Now around 65, should be over 70. So it's Fortec company, gave us the doors in 5 minutes, and now they're loading us, so it shouldn't take that much, and then off to Michigan. So now I want to show you a last glimpse of this place. Really sunny, and it's really comfortable to be in here. I don't want to come back, but I have to. So you can see the road, a lot of sand, the grass is already green, some trees have leaves, so it's really like a summer in Georgia. I love it. So previously I went to this dock, these gates, and took a really sharp turn. Look at this. I'll show you from the better angle. Yeah. So, and we put stones. We don't want to damage our tires, not rims. Yeah, so anyways, really good company, and I'm going back to my truck. I will have coffee. See you guys. I would rate this company very high, but they lack a toilet or a restroom, even better. But anyways, we almost got loaded, and it's about 10 or 15 minutes, so great timing. See you guys.